Hi, this is Mujana. We are in the chapter of statistics. So, good evening to all. Let's start the class. That we are in the fourth problem, fourth one. The given 30 women were examined in a hospital by a doctor and number of heartbeats per minute were recorded and summarized as follows. Find the mean heartbeats per minute for those women choosing a suitable method. So they are not given the which method. You have to choose the which is easy method that you have to do for the problem. So in that value is number of heart per beats per minute. Number of heartbeats per minute. Then number of women. Number of women. So the given value 65 to 68, then 68 to 71, then 71 to 74, then 74 to 77, then 77 to 80, then 80 to 83, then 83 to 86. So the number of women are 2, 4, 3, 8, 7, 4, 2. So you have to find out the mean heartbeat beats per minute for those women choosing a suitable method. So this is the class interval, that is number of heartbeats per minute, and number of women is nothing but f, that is frequency. So this is f means first you have to find midpoint, that is the xi. So xi will be the midpoint of this two. So 65 to 68. So it will be 1 to 133. So 120 plus that 30 means 133. So 133 half is 133 means 2 6 are 12, again 66.5. This will give 66. So 133, then 66.5, like that 68 to 71. So it will be 9 139. 139 means 140 is 70. So 139 is 69.5. 69.5. Then like that 71 24. So it will be 145. 145 means 72.5. Then 74 to 77 means 1. So 151. 151 means 75.5. Then 77 to 80. 80 plus 70 is 150. 157 means 157. So 2 7 are 14. 157. 1 remain 117. So 2 8 are 16. 78.5. Like that 80 and 83. 163. 163 means 81.5. Then 83 to 86 means 8 8 16. So 169. So 169 means 169. So 84.5. So I say that is extra 66.5, 69.5, 72.5, 75.5, 78.5, 81.5 and 84.5. Then so if you take directly the first method, it will be FIXI, but FIC here 2 is there, this is in point is there, so it will take more time. So better than that, you can take next method, that is step deviation method, that is HI assumed mean divided by H means class that range of that class interval. So 65 to 68. So that is H will be 3. H is equal to 3. So by doing that one, first you have to assume the assume mean method for this xi value. So 3 plus 4, 7 is there. So I will take middle 75.5. So 66.5 minus 77.5, like that, divided by this is class interval is 3. So it will give you 66.5 will be minus 77, it will be minus 9. So minus 9 by 3 is minus 3. So like that, same method, 69.5 minus 75.6, it gives you 6 minus 6. So minus 6 by 2, minus 6 by 3 is minus 2. Then 72.5 minus 75.5. So 3 means minus 3 by 3. So minus 1. Then 75.5 minus 75 is it will be 0. 78.5 minus 75 it is 3. Then 81 means 3. Then 84. 75 minus 78 is 3. 75 81 means 6. 6 by 3 we have to take. 6 by 3. That is 2. Then this one 78.5 minus 75.5 will be 3. 3 by 3. That is 1. Then 84.5 means it will be 75.5 minus 84.5 will be 9. So 9 by 3 is 3. So it will be 3. So we got the values in terms of UI. Then you have to find out Fi UI. Fi UI. Fi is the frequency, the UN values. Other than that, the class interval. So this is 3. So Fi is this one F2. 2 into minus 3, that will be 6. Minus 6. 4 into minus 2, 8. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Then 0. Then 7. 4 into 2 is 8. 4 into 2. We have to multiply. Then 2 into 3, 6. So you got the Fi UI. So for the formula is that one, sigma Fi UI plus sigma Fi into H plus A is assumed mean. So here assumed mean is 75.5. 75.5. Then plus sigma Fi is, so this will be 8, 7, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. 21 minus 8, 6, 14, 17. So 21 minus 17 is 4. So you got the 4. But it will be minus 4 because this is 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. So 21 minus 17 will give you 4. Positive only. Sigma Fi UI. Then so you got the value 4. And sigma F. So 2 plus 4, 6, 9. 17, 24, 28, 30. This is 30. So this is total 4 and this is 30. Then 4 and 30. And what you take? H you have to take. So H is 3. So 3. This will be 75.5 plus 3 ones are 3 tens are. So 4 by 10 is 0.4. That will give you 75.9. So 75 beats per minute we will get. The mean of that will be 75 beats per minute. So here it is, if you take directly first method, it will take in point is there. So calculation will be lengthy. So for that I have taken assumed mean method. So I got the value and range is 3. So I have taken the 3. So Fi UI in finding the smaller numbers. So you got the value. Then formula is A plus sigma Fi UI divided by sigma Fi means it is the frequency 2 plus 4, 6, 9, 17, 24, 28, 30. So you got the sigma F is 30. This is sigma F. So is sigma Fi. H is there. H means range. That is 65 to 3. 68 to 17 is 3. So we got the 3 into 4 by 30. That will give 75.9. The next one, fifth one. Fifth one, they given in a retail market, fruit vendors were selling mangoes kept in packing boxes. These boxes contain varying number of mangoes. So number of mangoes. So we have one number of mangoes, and number of boxes. We have number of boxes. So number of mangoes they given 50 to 52, 50 to 52, then 53 to 55. Then 55 to 56 to 58, then 59 to 61, then 60 to 64. 5 is they given. Sigma F also they given number of boxes. This is the FLA. This is the class interval. Then 15, 110, 135, 115, and 25. So we have to find the mean of the packing box, mean of the number of mangoes kept in the packing box. This is number of mangoes and the number of packing boxes. So first you see this. If you clearly observe, it is 50 to 52, then 53 to 55. The class intervals always should be in the same only. That means it should not be in gap. So 52 after 53, so one gap is there. So it should not be like that. So first you have to take choose the method and do the in terms of 52. 52 means same only 52. So this one we have to make 52, 55, then 55 to 50. That like same should be there. So for that 50 is there, 52 is there. So the gap is 52, 53 is 1. So what I will do, 0.5 minus here 49.9, 49.5. So upper lower level I will minus it and upper level I will add it. So 0.5 I will add it, 52.5. So 49.5 plus 52.5. This is also same like that. So this one 53 minus 55. So 52.5, 55.5. So for the upper limit I am adding 0.5 and lower limit I am minusing, I am separating 1, so 0.5. So I will get the interval in 3. So 52.5, 55 is 3, 49.5, 52.5. So it is in the order now. So 56 like that, 56 will become 55.5 and this is 58.5. This one 59.5 and this is 61.5 and this one 61.5 to 64.5. So I will add it 64.5 and 61.5. This one 58.5, 61.5. This is 58.5. This is 56, 55.5. So I got the order now. 49 to 52 and 52 to 55, 55 to 58, 58 to 61, 61 to 64. Now I got the order. And this number of buses, this is F I told. But see the values, they are in the Raja number. So we don't choose the first method. So when they given number of buses, that is frequency values, if it is more, so we have to take the third method, that is step deviation method. So next is HI, you have to find the HI. So for HI, this interval plus divided by 2. So 49.5 plus 52.5, it will give 52 plus 50, 102. So 102 means 51. Half of 102 is 51. Like that 52, 55. It will give you, this is 110 is there. So 52.5, 55.5 means 8, 108, 108. 108 means 54. So like that, this is 57. Same method. Then 60, because 61.5, 58.5 is 120. So 120 half is 60. So this one is 61 and 64. 120, 126. 126 means 63. 63. So we got the values in 51, 15. So if you multiply this these numbers, this is sigma Fi is equal to 15 plus 110, 135, 115 plus 25. So 5 plus 5, 10, 15, 20, 0, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 10. 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 400. We got the value of sigma Fi, 400. We got the XI midpoint value. But if you multiply this 2, that will be more calculation. So for that, what I have to do? Ui. So Ui means Hi minus assumed value divided by H means this range. So that is, here also 3 is there. So 3 is the gap here. So Hi is 51. So I will take 57 as the midpoint, assumed midpoint. So 51 minus 57 is 6. 6 by 3 is minus 2. Like that 54 minus 57 is minus 3. Minus 3 divided by 3 is minus 1. So 57 minus 57 is 0. Then 0 by divided by is 0 only. So 60 minus 57, it is 3. 3 by 3 is 1. Then 63 minus 57, it is 6. 6 by 3 is 2. So I got the minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So this is the Fi, Ui. Then Fi, Ui. Fi, Ui. So this is minus 2 into 15, minus 30. Then minus 110. Then 135 into 0, 0. 115. And this one 25 into 2 is 50. So you have to find this summation value, sigma Fi. So this will be 115 plus 50 is 165. 165 minus 1 means 110 means 50. 50 minus 30. So 20 will be there. 25. That 5 is there, no? 25. So the value will be 25. So I got this one 400. So next formula is sigma Fi Ui divided by sigma Fi into H, A plus This is step deviation method. So this will be A is I have taken 57 plus I got the value sigma f is 25. So I got the positive value. So I have written 25 divided by this is 400 and h is class interval size of the interval. So it is 3. So it will be 3. So 3 and 400 we can't go in the same table. 3 and because 3 table means it, the number the sum of the terms should be divisible by 3, but it is 400 is there. 4 plus 0 plus 4 will be not divided by 3. So I will take 25 ones are 25. So remaining 50, 150, 16. So 3 by 16. So 57 plus 3 by 16. 3 by 16 means if you do the division method here, 16 and 3. So I will take 1 0. So point. So 16 ones are 16. This will give you 14. Then 140. 16 8s are 128. This will give you 120 because 12 remaining. So 16 7s are 112. So remaining is 80. So 5 0.875. So it will get, this is 3 by 16 will get the 0.875. So 16 ones are 16. 0.18. Okay. 16 ones are 16. 0.1. Then 140 means 128. 16 8s are 128. That's 120 means 16 7s are 112. Then 8 remains. 80 means 16 5 is 80. So 0.18. So 0.1875. So it will be 57.19. Approximately 1.875 So 57.19 mangoes. So the mean of the mangoes per buses is 57.19. So next one. So next one is sixth one. The table below shows the daily expenditure on food of 25 households in a locality. So number of households is there. So daily expenditure 100 to 150 and 150 to 100 and 2 to, like that they given 100 to 150, then 150 to 200, 200 to 250, then 250 to 300, then 300 to 350. Then number of frequencies they given, number of households, that is 4, 5, 12, 2, 2. So the total is 25. This is 25 they given. Sigma f is 25 and this is the daily expenditure. So daily expenditure in the daily expenditure. This is households. Number of households. So you got the number of households and number of daily expenditure value. So they told you to find the mean daily expenditure on food by suitable method. So they not given any method. You have to select which method it is suitable. So first is the number of households means this is frequency. Frequency 4, 5, 2, 2. So it is in the smaller numbers. When you got the smaller numbers, you can do the 4 is there. So 100 to 150 means it will give you 250. 250 means 250 by 2, 125. First we have to find out xi. Then only we can assume that which method is suitable. So 5 is there. Find 350. 350 means 175. Then 200 to 250. It will give 450. 450 means 2 2s are 2. 225. 450. This is 550. 550 means 2 7 5. Then 300 to 650. 650 means 325. So HI value will be 125, 175, 225, 275, then 325. So again, this FI values in the smaller numbers, but if you see the HI value, it is in the 275 more large number. So for this also we can do that method only, step deviation method. What means UI is nothing but that one xi minus a assumed mean we have to take middle. So 125, 175, 225, 275, 325 is there. So I'll take 225. So if I take 225, 225 minus 125 is 100. So this will be a minus 100 divided by class size of the interval is here 50 is there. So 50. So minus 100 divided by 50 will give minus 2. So 175 minus 225 will give 50. 50 divided by 55. 50 divided by 50 is minus 1. So 225 it will be 0. Then 275 minus 25 is 50. 50 by 50 is 1. Then 325. 325 minus 225 is 100. 100 by 50 is 2. So you will get 2. Then Fi UI. So for this one, minus 2 into 4, minus 8, minus 1 into 5, minus 5, this is 0, then 2 into 1, 2, then 2 into 2, 4. So you have to find out the sigma value. So summation means minus 8, minus 5, it will be minus 13, minus 13, 4 plus 2, 6, minus 13 plus 6, so minus 7. We got the value, minus 7, y means 4 plus 2 is 6, but minus 8, minus 5 is greater number, so minus 13. So negative integer is greater, so minus 13 minus 6 is minus 7. So we got the summation of the FIUI is 7. Why I taken this method only means because if you take multiply this one, it will be more number and we have to divide it by 25. So it will take more step. For because of that I selected the step deviation method. So the simplification will be easy. Then sigma f is 225. Then formula is a plus sigma fi ui divided by sigma fi into h. This will give you a is 225. Then plus sigma fi is 7. So minus 7 is there. Minus 7 divided by h is 50. 50. Then total is 25. So 25 ones are 25 twos are. So you will get 225 plus minus 7 by 2 is minus 3.5. Minus 3.5. This will give you 21.5. Somewhere I mistake. So 25 the 25 twos are. Okay. So here I done mistake. 225 plus total is minus 7. Minus 7 divided by sigma f is there. So sigma f is minus 27. So sigma f is 25. H is 50 is there. Because h means this is size interval. That is range of that interval. So 50. So 25 are 25 twos are. So it will be minus 14. 225 minus 14 is 211. 211. What is this one? Daily expenditure. So to mean of the daily expenditure will be on food will be 211 rupees. So the value of the mean daily expenditure will be 211. The next one. Seventh one. Seventh one again, to find out the concentration of SO2 in the air in parts per million. The data was selected for 30 localities in a certain city and is presented below. The size interval will be that will be the concentration of SO2 and frequency is nothing but that the number of localities, that is 30 localities. So it will be seventh one, concentration of SO2 in ppm, that is parts per million. Then frequencies they directly given. So that is this is 0.0 to 0.04, then 0.04 to 0.08, then 0.08 to 0.12, then 0.12 to 0.16, then 0.16 to 0.2, then 0.20 to 0.24, the values of the frequency is 4, 9, 9, 2, 4, 2. So 0.0 to 0.04. So you have to find out the mean of the to find the solution in the main, the data was selected. This is presented below. We have to find the mean method. So if you see here, first before that you have to find out the xi, then you have to choose which method is suitable. So 0.04 to 0.04 is there. Then we will get the midpoint. So 0.02, 0.02. Then 0.04 means this will be 0.04. So divided by 2 in 0.12. This will be 0.06. Then 0.1 means 0.2. So 0.2 is 0.10. Then 12 plus 16, 28. 0.28 means 0.14. 0.1 means 0.36. So 0.18. Then 0.20 means 0.44. It will be 0.22. So value of xi is 0.02, 0.06, 0.10, 0.14, 0.18, then 0.22. So we got the xi value. So if you take first method, if you see first method is both into. So if you take step division method in this problem, it will be tough. Why means you have to xi minus, so you have to take one value. So you have to subtract. It will be in points. So if you take first method, it will give directly values because these are smaller numbers. So this will be F5 xi you have to take. So 4 into 0.02 is 0.08. Then 9 into 0.06 is 9 6 are 54. So 0.54. Then 9 into 0.1 is 0.9. Then 2 into 4 into 28. So 0.28. 4 18s are 72. So it will be 0.72. Then 2 into 0.2 is 0.44. So you got this is sigma f xi. So if you add this one, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 8 20, 22, 24, 26. 2 carry, 2 plus 4 6, 13, 15, 24, 29. So 29. So 2 carry, this will be 2. So 2.96 we got. This is summation. Summation of this values, that is the concentration of SOT. We got the midpoint. Then we got the sigma f xi, first method, that direct method only. We have to multiply the frequency and xi. Frequency is given 4 plus 9, 13, 22, 24, 28, 30. So sigma f is 30. So they given 30 localities, you know. Yes, they given 30 localities. So that is the sigma f. Then you have to find out the formula, that is sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. That will be 2.96 divided by 30. So 2.96 we can write this one as 2.96. So downside is 30 there. So to make simplification easy, I will do one method. See, 3 into 10. So 30 you can write in terms of 3 into 10. Then if you cancel this 3 by this one, 3 9 is 27, 27, 26. So approximately it will be 99. But point is there. So 0.99 divided by 10. So this will give you 0.099. So 2.96 is this summation of that values, sigma f xi. So sigma f is 30. So when you do the divided by 10, it will be only you have to shift the point to the next one point. So here 2.96 is there. So I write 3. 3 if you divide by this one, 3 9s are 27, 27. So approximately 0.99 will get. Then 10 means one more 0 you have to take. So 0.099. So what they given? This one. Concentration of SOT. So concentration of SOT will be 0.099 ppm. So parts per million. Parts per million. So you got the concentration of SO2 as 0.099. This is the mean value. So if I do in the step division method in this, so xi means 0.02. So I will take 0.10. So it will be in the again it is in the point only. So for that so I will take this one directly sigma f xi. So values are less. So directly we get the value. So 2.96 divided by this is in the tens value. So that is 30, 40. So we can easily do into 3 into 10. So we will get the 0.099 parts per million. The next one. So the given eighth one, a class teacher has the following absentee record of 40 students of a class for the whole term. Find the mean number of days a student was absent. So this one. A class teacher has the following absent record. So absent record is there. So number of days. Then number of students. So number of days. Then they given 0 to 6, then 6 to 10, 10 to 14, 14 to 20, then 20 to 28, then 28 to 38, 38 to 40. So 0 to 6, 6 to 10, 10 to 14, 14 to 20, 20 to 28, 28 to 38, then 38 to 40. So the given class interval, that one, and midpoint you have to find out the number of students they given, that is frequency, that is 11, 10, 7, 4, 4, 11, 10, 7, 4, then 4, then 3, then 1. So you got the number of students is nothing but frequency values. So we have the class intervals. But see this, it is continuous. So continuous, but class interval size is not same. 0 to 6 is 6 and 6 to 10 is 4. So not same. So for that we can continue the next method, but we have to find the midpoint first. So midpoint means HI. Based on midpoint only you can choose the method only. So here HI. So 0 to 6 is 6 by 2 is 3, then 6 to 10, 16 by 2 is 8, then 10 to 14 is 24, it will be 12, then 14 to 20, 34, 17, then 20 to 48 means 24, then 28, 38, it will be 50, 50, 66, 66 means 33, then 38, 78, 39. So you got the values. This is sigma F. 11 plus 10, 21, 28, 32, 36, 39, 40. So total is 40. This is HI midpoint 8, 12, 17, 24, 33, 39, 3. So I'll check it. 3, 8, 12, 17, 24, 33, 39. So for this method, we have the values, and we have the in terms of 10 only. So when the values in the 10, so this is simplification will be easy because it is single digit numbers. So we can take directly sigma Fi side. So 10 into 8 is 80. Then 11 into 3 is 33. Then 7 into 12 is 84. Then 17 into 4 is 68. You should know the table, so you have to practice the table 2 to 30. 4 into 24 is 96. Then 33 is 3 side 99. Then 39 is 39. So you got the Fi side. 3 plus 4 7, 15, 21, 30, 39. So 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 9 15, 15 plus 9 24, 24 plus 6 30, 30 plus 8 38, 38 plus 8 is 46, 46 plus 8 49. So 499. 499 we got the summation value, and this frequency value is 40. So based on this class interval and finding the midpoint, then we have to choose which method is easy. So here also numbers is between 12, 10 like that only, and this is also in terms of 40. So it is 40 means we can reduce it by taking the 4 into 10. So formula is sigma Fi Xi divided by sigma Fi. So this is direct method. The first method, that is direct method. So 499 divided by 4 into 10 I will take, because if we have 10 downside, we can easily do the simplification. So 4 ones are 4, then 4 twos are 8, 19 carry, 4 5s are 20. So approximately 125. So 125 by 10. So 125 into 4 is 500. So 12.5. 12.5. This is what? Number of days, number of students. So number of students means 12.5. So approximately it will get 12.5, but exactly means 12.475. So because I taken here directly 499 as 500. So 500 by 4 is 125. So 125 divided by 10 is 12.5. So you will get the 12.5 days. Mean will be 12.5 days. The days is nothing but find the mean number of days the student was absent. So it will be 12.5 days. 12.5 days. You can write 12.475 also because exactly value is written. If not, you can write the approximate value, that is 12.5. So when you have the in terms of zeros, then calculation will be easy. If not, if it is in the number of 24 like 34, then you have to if you take these values, it will be bigger number and calculation will be tough. So it is directly is there. So 40 is there. This also you can do directly. So you got the one value. So 40 you can write 4 into 10. Then 4 divided. Then you divide it by 10. And you got the 12.5 days. Then last one I will not do, but I will give you hint how to do. The following table gives the literacy rate in percentage of 35 cities. So the frequency value is 35 cities. So you have to add it 3 plus 10 13, 13 plus 11 24, 24 plus 8 is 32, 32 plus 3 is 35. So 35 cities. In that literacy rate they given in the class interval 45 to 55, 55 to 65. It is in the same order only, because 42 after 55 it is 40 55, then 65 65, then 75, then 85. So it is in the order, but the range will be 10. 45 to 55 is 10. So if you see the values, first you have to find the midpoint. So midpoint we got that one values. If it is that one 50 60 70 80 90. So frequency we have 310. So if you see the numbers, it is in the terms of zeros. So if you have the midpoint values in zeros, then you can take directly in the frequency, that is directly sigma fxi. So for the ninth problem, you refer the fixi only. You can do it in which one, step deviation method also, but I think it will be lengthy. But if you take direct values, 50 into 3 is 150, 60 into 10 is 600, then 70 into 11 is 770, then 80 into 8 is 640, then you got the one value, you will get the 35. So it will be in the number. So it will be in terms of zeros number. So if you divide by 35, you have to take division by 5. Then you will get the answer in terms of literacy rate, that is 69.43. That is approximate value. So you will get the 69.43. 69.43. So we can do step deviation method also and this direct method also. But if I prefer that, if I tell to you to do means, you try this one in terms of direct method only, because it is values are in the terms of zeros, so you can easily find out the value. So if not, you have to take 70 as assumed mean value, then you have to take further step. So that is always easy, but if you compare both, you get the answer as easily, because it is in terms of zeros value. So you can refer that one and do it yourself. So this is the first method, that is mean method. Then you will take the mode median. So next method will median method. So median method, based on that some problems will be there. So I will continue in the next class. So if you like it, please subscribe to the channel and share it to others, because it's very useful for 10th standard. So it is on the exam is on 21st March. So before that I will try to complete some lessons. So if you refer this one, you will get useful and use it in the useful format. So only you have to these three methods only you have to do. So three methods we have to choose based on that the midpoint value. If you do midpoint and frequency are in the smaller numbers, we can refer the sigma fxi. If it is not in the smaller values, then we have to perform the step deviation method. So do it. Thank you.